Hello, and welcome to Ojuku News Channel. Today's top story. Justice James Omotosho has accused the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, of deliberately trying to delay his trial. Let's break down what happened. 0:15 to 1:15 on today's trials. During a court session in Abuja, Justice Omotosho addressed concerns over the slow pace of the trial. He singled out Kanu's lawyer, Barrister Aloy Ejimeko, and others, claiming they were not serious about ending the case. In the judge's words, the defense team was behaving like content creators, more focused on gaining attention online than on legal work. He issued a strong warning. If this behavior continues, disciplinary action could follow, including suspension or even disbarment. 1:16 to 2:15. The controversy began when Ejimeko shared court-related documents on Facebook, including an approved list of lawyers for the defense. Justice Omotosho said such actions undermine court ethics and professional conduct. He reminded both sides that justice must be served without social media interference. Also in court, the federal government's lead counsel, Chief Adegboyega Awomolo, agreed with the judge. He said the defense was spreading misleading content online and proposed banning phones in court altogether. In response, Kanu's senior lawyer, Chief Kanu Agabi, apologized for Ejimeko's actions and gave his word that it would not happen again. 2:16 to 3:30. Meanwhile, the trial continued with cross-examination of a key witness. A Department of State Services operative, known only as BBB, accused Kanu of inciting violence. He claimed that Kanu's statements led to attacks on public property, especially in Lagos and the southeast. But when asked for details, the DSS officer couldn't say how many buses were burned, who committed the acts, or even provide license plate numbers. The defense used this to challenge the credibility of the claims. They also pointed out that many other public figures have made similar remarks without facing criminal charges. 3:31 to 4:30. The judge made it clear this case must move forward. Justice Omotosho stressed that no further adjournments would be allowed. He wants the case resolved quickly and fairly, without theatrics or social media drama. The next court date has been set. May 29, 2025. The judge's message was firm: let's stick to the facts and the law, not Facebook. 4:31 to 5 o'clock. This case continues to draw attention across Nigeria and beyond. The Federal High Court in Abuja has admitted 3 video clips as evidence in the terrorism trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, also known as IPOB. One of the videos shows Kanu inspecting a transmitter labeled the Tram 50L. Authorities say the device was smuggled into Nigeria and installed in Anambra State, in the town of Ubulu-Isiuzo, located in Ihiala local government area. A Department of State Services officer, identified in court only as Mr. C, testified that Kanu admitted to bringing the transmitter into Nigeria. This statement was reportedly made during an interview conducted in November 2015. The interview was recorded with Kanu's consent. However, Kanu's legal team claims the statement was made under pressure. They argue it was obtained through threats and fear of solitary confinement. The court has now begun a trial within a trial to determine whether the confession was given voluntarily. Prosecutors also allege that Kanu used Radio Biafra to spread messages that incite violence and promote secession from Nigeria. The case is ongoing. More evidence and witness testimonies are expected in the coming sessions. Will the court be able to maintain focus and speed up the process? Or will more distractions slow things down? We'll be watching. For more updates on this and other top stories, subscribe to Ojuku News Channel. Thanks for listening.